Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. Today I am going to be doing a daily plan. I think I'm actually liking the daily plans better than the weekly, so I probably will be in my daily planner more than the other planner. And I can just add in a weekly spread and link it if that's what I choose to do. Um, so I'm just filling this out with the book that I'm currently reading um, by Amanda Francis. It's kind of like a money mindset book. Well, not kind of, it is a money mindset book. I am enjoying it because the way she speaks is like she's having a conversation with you. And I like to read those kinds of books. And the show that I'm watching is on Paramount Plus. It's School Spirits. It's season 2. You should check it out. It's really good. It's about high schoolers, and there's a lot of ghost activity, but it's not like haunted. It's not scary, so I like it. It's me. I'm watching it with my daughter, and so I'm gonna be just filling this out and putting the things that I know for sure that I will be getting done for the day. Um, Tracking my meals, tracking my baby's meals, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and let you guys watch for a second, and I will be back. And when I do my meals, I usually don't eat breakfast. Kind of, I use that time to get a lot of my things that I need to get done, like laundry. I try to work out by a certain time because the later it gets, the more likely I don't want to do it. Here recently, I have been getting my workouts in. Um, but it's just easier for me to do it during the day, like in between cleaning, because I'm already moving. And that's usually why I skip breakfast, because after I eat breakfast, I'm usually like really sluggish and yeah, I just really don't have a lot of energy. So my tasks usually don't get done to the level that they probably should get done. So I kind of hold off on breakfast. Leave in the comments if you're team breakfast or not. Some days I will eat breakfast, but it's usually on a day when I really don't think I'm going to work out or do anything else for that matter. Um, so yeah, just leave a comment and let me know if you're a team breakfast or you wait until lunch. I usually wait till lunch to start to eat once I get everything done that I need to get done. As always, thank you for coming back to the Money Eyes channel. And if you're new, welcome. This is where I record all of my planning processes, any other spreads that I like doing on my digital planner. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments or suggestions in the comments. I will be answering all my comments. So I just want to thank you guys again for coming and checking out my video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.